had the other day what I thought was quite a peculiar request from a client. And basically they were like, hey Sam, on mobile, we want to hide the arrows under a list section carousel just on mobile. We want the arrows on desktop. I don't know why, but they want it on desktop and not on mobile. And then weirdly, literally like a few days later, I saw one of my students in Six Figure Design Club ask the same thing. Now, luckily, they hadn't pilfered one of my clients, but they literally just had another client who had the same request. So I thought, why not do a video? Because it's a really simple little bit of CSS that you can add to your website to get those arrows hidden. So we're on the site. What we want to do is add a list section first and foremost. So let's just pop usually it's in people. Let's pop this in here. So if we go into edit, content, and then design, we want a carousel. And carousel, we're going to see arrows here. Now, obviously, this doesn't look brilliant, but I just want to show you the function and not the form. Needed to get that the right way. So if we click on mobile, you can see that we've got the arrows there. And then on desktop, we've got the arrows here. So click save, exit, and then just make sure arrows, mobile, arrows. Okay, great. So what we want to do is click Shift, Command, and C. This is on Google Chrome, and I'm on Apple. And that's going to bring up Google Chrome Developer Tools. All we need to do is hover over our arrows and find what the selector is. So when I click on this, that looks about right, and that's going to say so user items list carousel, which is the carousel section, and then mobile arrows. So I've copied that. What I then need to do is go into pages, website tools, and custom CSS. Ignore this one. This is from a previous tutorial. What we need to do here is paste that in, and then do our squiggly brackets, and then enter display none, and that is going to hide our arrows on mobile. So I'll save that, check on desktop. We've still got those lovely arrows. On mobile, we don't, but we can still swipe like this. So if you're anything like my client, or you're anything like my student's client, and you don't want those arrows on mobile, that's how you do it. Hopefully you found that useful. If you did, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, you can get in touch using the links in the description.